When you're down, you just want to give your face a lift. This is a perfect style for you. You want to take it up like this. Let me show you the back. There we go. Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I detangle my 4 weeks. Yes, you heard me, 4 weeks. My hair has been like this, and we would have seen a lot and lots of growth. I don't do natural hair video regularly because, as you know, I'm still facing some breakage, but I am still trying. So I have started this side already. You notice this side is looking different. There we go. Versus this side. So you notice the hair like this. You also want to look at the growth that we would have been seeing right here as well. I want to show you some of the ones at the top as well. There we go. Notice all that growth. So we're really suffering from the breakage. There we go, from here to here. So that's tons of growth. That's about half an inch growth for 4 weeks. So that's why we have this in. So basically what I'm going to be doing is to detangle the hair, and each one I detangle, then I will braid. So I just want to show you what it looks like first. There we go. And as I said, I started this side already. So I will use my water. Always have my scissors, and you have your scissors just in the event there's a knot. Make sure your scissors are extremely sharp. And my moisturizer, my Kansu moisturizer curl and cream. I recognize I've not been using it as much before, so maybe this has contributed to one of the shedding of my hair. So what I do, I place it into this. This is the cover of this, what I'm going to be using, my Blue Magic. Yes, I'm using the Blue Magic. My hair was already shampooed and everything with the braids in it. I actually did a deep conditioning treatment with the braids in it, so it's actually freshly washed. Like it was freshly washed, and we noticed, so it's a bit dry now. So all I will be doing is using my water just a bit, spritz it so it can be moist. You don't want it to be soaking wet. Then you go in with your moisturizer curl and cream. So that's how we do it. And then want to make sure your ends get some nice amount. You don't want to do a whole lot. Then we're gonna go in with little of the Blue Magic, this amount. And why you're doing all of this, because we always hear never go in with dry hair, because if your hair is dry, it becomes brittle. What happens then? Breakage. So that is why we would not retain the length that we have. So look at this side versus this side that I just did. Notice the difference? There we go. Look at that, guys. So we're gonna go in with our, yeah, that's what I use. So I start from the root, and if I feel as if it's going to be, there's a knot, I take my time and I use my fingers to detangle. So of course I told you I'm going through some breakage, but that's okay. You know, we're gonna get over it. We will. And we don't give up over it. No giving up. I've got to go on. Though the way gets harder, yeah, I know I can make it. Oh, I know I can make it. So I just keep holding on. When you reach to this section, I want you to take a look. There we go. I will use a little like this just to ensure this is not dry, and I use my fingers to pull it apart. As I said, I did not I allowed this in for 4 weeks. Generally after 2 weeks I would have done the edges, but to be honest, I was extremely busy and did not get the opportunity to do it. So you want to take your time and pull them apart. There we go, and that's what happened here. So we're gonna see some shedded hair. Going with a little more. This way the entire hair will get saturated. Notice the difference? So there, that's why I'm saying we're still facing the breakage. Looking at that. That's too much. You want to get out all the dead hair that you can. The drill, once you reach to the end, the 3 becomes 2, right? And you will twist them. So there we have, and we go in with a twist like this. Just to ensure the detangling process in the next 3 to 4 weeks is easier. So that's why we do it this way. So guys, this is a finished product. I would have completed detangle every single braid that was previously done, and no, I did not use any comb. You know, my main tool is this, my hairpin, and this is what the finished product looks like. So there we go, guys. I believe my hair is still healthy, even though I'm facing the breakage, as you all know. And there, when I look at this, I can just imagine my hair was like this for a long time. And I will style it from time to time. I could bring it over like this. You know the general styles that I'll do. So these are some styles that you can actually do. Okay, you know, I don't want the same look every day. So I could wear it like this. And my favorite is actually the updo. When you're down, you just want to give your face a lift. This is a perfect style for you. You want to take it up like this. Let me show you the back. There we go. And together, you want to do a nice wrap. So there we go like this. And then you secure with your hairpins. So there we have this cute look, this nice cute look. I could actually secure it so you can see what it's looking like. You want to ensure, you can also use a rubber band if you wish to ensure this is safely secure. And there it was just 2, and I'm loving this one. Following me on the journey to healthy and long hair. So guys, it's bye for now until my next video, and thank you for stopping by. Always my pleasure to bring to you honest content. I'm not going to tell you that your hair will grow overnight, but patience and perseverance will get you there. So if this is something, it's a content that you will want to watch again, then go right ahead and subscribe to this video. Give it a thumbs up. So we went ahead and we did our aloe vera treatment with our braids in. Take it down braid by braid, and there we didn't use any comb, so we just use our fingers to do all this work for us. There we go. And if I tell people that I don't use comb, they probably don't believe I don't use comb. So there we go. Your finger can do a perfect job. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.